The Mulak clan is one of the prolific showbiz families in the country. Let's look into their paternal ancestry. Saan ba nanggaling yung apelyido na Mulak? Wala naman yun sa Katalogo Alfabetico de Apelyidos. Mahaba ito, but you have to watch till the end to find out. I am going to start with the generation of performers I grew up watching. I will call them Generation 1. I am skipping the private and younger family members. Sa Google nyo na lang po sila. Lizelle Sumilang Martinez was the only child of Amalia Mulak, more popularly known as Amalia Fuentes. Nino Mulak is the son of Alexander Mulak. Arlene, Aga, Almira are some of the many children of Alvaro Cheng Mulak. Generation 2, Amalia, Alex, and Cheng were all film actors in the 1950s, 1960s, while their children were most active in the 1970s, 1980s. The three siblings were the children of Generation 3, Alvaro Mulak and Concepcion Amador. Alvaro Mulak was born in 1900 in Barcelona, Spain. He married Concepcion in 1939 in Manila. This was their wedding photo. Incidentally, their flower girl was Merly Tuazon, who became an actress and married actor Leopoldo Salcedo. Alvaro was a movie booker who would find film reels for theaters to show, so he was involved in the distribution side of show business. Alvaro's children were orphaned in February 1945 during the height of the Battle of Manila. Amalia Fuentes, the eldest of his children, recounted in an interview that she lost her father when she was 5 years old to a landmine, which blew him up. They never saw his remains, and he was only identified through the shoes he wore. He was only 44. Amalia's mother, Concepcion, remarried Isagani Fuentes after Alvaro's death, which is how Amalia got her showbiz name. Alvaro was the child of Generation 4, Alejandro Mulak and Enriqueta Iglesia. Alejandro was born in Santander, Spain, and this is his baptismal certificate, which mentions both his parents and grandparents. Alejandro and his wife found their way to the Philippines. I tried to find a hint on what they did for a living, but I only found a mention of Alejandro and his wife in a 1990 newspaper article listing passengers traveling to Iloilo. The couple died in the Philippines. Alejandro was the child of Generation 5, Francois Joseph Mulak, who was born in 1814 in Breitenbach, Bacron, in France. His birth certificate included his parents' names and their address. After his first wife died young, he married Francisca Aguera from Santander, Spain. This place was where they married in 1856 and where he died in 1902 at the age of 88. To recap, Generations 1 and 2 are natives of the Philippines. Generation 3 and 4 moved to the Philippines from Spain, and Generation 5 moved to Spain from France. Francois was a junior. He was a child of Generation 6, Francois Joseph Mulak Sr., and Anne-Marie Dylan Siger. Francois Sr. was born in 1785 in Breitenbach, Bacron, in France. His name was spelled Franciscus Josephus Mulak in his baptismal records from a church in Celestat in France. He married his wife in 1807 in his hometown. This was their marriage record, and it contained names of their parents and grandparents. They had at least 9 children. He was listed as a merchant and died in 1818 in his hometown at the age of 33, a year after his youngest child was born. Francois Sr. was the child of Generation 7, Matias Mulak and Margaret Drek. Matias was born in 1742 in Saint-Martin, Bacron, in France. He was baptized in the same church in Celestat as his son, and this was his baptismal record. He married his wife in 1764 in his hometown, and this was their marriage record. Both records included names of parents and grandparents. The couple had at least 3 children. Matias was listed as a winemaker. He died in 1808 in his hometown at the age of 66, and his wife died 2 years later. Matias was the third of his name. He was the child of Generation 8, Matias Mulak Jr. and Catherine Dunilor. The couple married in 1738 in Saint-Martin, Bacron, in France, and this was their marriage record. It contained the names of their parents and grandparents. Matias Jr. was the child of Generation 9, Matias Mulak Sr. and Dule. Matias Sr. was born in 1688 in Primbach, Bacron, in France. He married his wife in 1713 in Saint-Martin, Bacron, in France, and they had at least 9 children. He died in 1741 in Misongut, Bacron, in France, at the age of 52, and his wife died in the same year. Matias Sr. was the child of Generation 10, Michael Mulak and Catherine Wondershire. Michael was born about 1660 in Bacron, France, and is the oldest known paternal ancestor of the Mulak clan. He died in Primbach, Bacron, in France. To recap, Generations 6 to 10 were born, married, and died in the province of Bacron in France, which is separated from the German border by a river. The major towns of Bacron even have German names, and they were occupied by the Germans during the Franco-Prussian War. This history is relevant because according to Family Search, Mulak is a topographic surname, which means related related to the physical features of the area where the family lived. It is rooted in the German word Mühlbach, which means mill stream or a stream used to run a mill. Documentation exists on the paternal line of the Mula clan, tracing their family from the Philippines to Spain and France, and we were able to do this because the vital records in the European countries I mentioned have been digitized and made available to the public online via family search and the background archives. Nakakaingit. National Archives of the Philippines. Baka pwede naman po. Pwede ba?
Meow meow.